My visit to the emergency department. I'm not feeling well. I sometimes go to the clinic when I'm sick, but Mommy says I need to go to the hospital this time. I need to wear a mask when we go out. This keeps me safe. I am now at the hospital. It looks very big. I'm waiting to see the doctor. The doctors and nurses are wearing funny clothes. This is to keep them safe. There are many sounds in this place. I can ask for a hug anytime, so I can feel safe. When it is my turn, the nurse brings us to a special room. I see a bed in the room. I can sit on the bed if I want to. The nurse uses a machine to check if I'm healthy. It squeezes my arm, but it does not hurt me. I can be brave. The doctor comes to check my body and my breathing. The doctor is kind and gentle. The doctor may need to do some tests. He will tell me what they will do. I may hold my toy or ask for a hug anytime. The test may feel uncomfortable, but I listen to the doctor and keep breathing. I must keep still, but I can close my eyes if I want to. Soon, it will be over. I can leave the emergency department when the nurses and doctors say so. I may need to stay in the hospital to get better if I'm not feeling well. I am brave and strong.